Hi everyone, I'm going to give you a quick demo of our vibration analyzer, iPad vibration analyzer by Motionics, and also going through one of our main app for this vibration kit, which is called iVibraMeter. This kit, as you can see, it comes in a solid carrying case. I already opened and just brought out all those components that you receive. Basically, you have an iPad with the vibration apps already installed. The iPad is an optional piece that you can just select what type of iPad you want, or you can use your own iPad. The iPad has a carrying case, protective case, that has a two-channel data acquisition on the back. That two-channel has two input. One of them is already connected to this accelerometer, and the other side is connected to the lightning connector of the iPad. Everything is all connected as one piece. The accelerometer has an extendable cable, and also, as you can see here, this is a piezoelectric industrial accelerometer, which is connected. This whole thing comes with this magnetic base for accelerometer, which is a high force, 82 pound, I guess, force magnet that has two poles here, and it's designed in such a way that you can use for any round shape surface, or it comes with another piece that you can put it here and you can just use for a flat surface as well. For this case, we're gonna use this small motor that we have here to generate vibration, read vibration. Let's connect this one, make sure everything is pre-secure. The accelerometer already connected to channel 1. So let's look at the apps that we have. The system comes with a couple of apps. One of the main app that comes with this kit is called Vibrometer Pro, which is the core part of the vibration analysis for this kit. I'm not gonna go through that app. There are some other videos that we go through the deep, detailed feature of that app, and we'll discuss, and you can watch our other videos for that specific app. For this video, I'm gonna just focus mainly on the other app, which is called iVibraMeter. Let's launch this app. iVibraMeter, it's basically it's an app that you can use for real-time overall RMS vibration measurement using our vibration kit for a couple of predefined machines, such as motor, pumps, horizontal, vertical pump, gearbox, spindles, fans, and these machines are defined here. You can just select them, and it tells you go to each side and tap and capture the vibration, and it generates a simple report, and you can generate that certificate report for that machine and save it locally, and later you can just periodically come to the machine and test, make sure the machine is good. So this is the main purpose of this app. Again, if you're trying to do more vibration analysis, deep vibration analysis, you have to use our other app. So now let's look at this app. When you come to this app, the main page, you have the main menu, which allows you to go to main page to do vibration tests. We'll go through that. There's a setting, there's a calibration, there's a report manager and database here, and help and instruction part, which you have all instruction in PDF. In the setting, if you go to setting, you can see you can select the unit, metric, imperial, hertz, or RPM, acceleration, velocity, background, white, dark, and also this software has a vibration meter integrated inside that shows the health of the machine, and based on that one can be selected. It could be based on the ISO standard or ANSI standard. Let's go back to main menu, and the calibration part, you should make sure the system is calibrated. You come here and select the you connect your accelerometer to 1G 1G shaker, standard shaker, and calibrated. Make sure the system calibrated. This system's already calibrated. And the report manager, there's a database that I'll show you, and go through that and see once you save your report how you can access them. Let's go to main part of the app, which is overall RMS measurement. When you come to this page, the top part, there's a selector that you can select predefined standard machines such as motor, horizontal pump, vertical pump, fan, blower, as you can see here, spindle, right? Or you can add your own machine, and for each of this machine, we define a couple of spots that you can use. Basically this one, and just tap that point, and it's going to capture that vibration and save it for that spot. Let's say in our case is motor, right? The motor, you have 6 predefined spots: front, back, horizontal, vertical, and axial. So you have 6 measurements, and for each point you're going to capture vibration, acceleration, and velocity. So basically all of them in one shot you're going to capture, and also you're going to record the whole overall vibration as a meter based on the ISO standard here. And also when you capture each point, it's going to capture the overall spectrum, and capture and it's going to capture a screenshot of that spectrum. It's going to save it to your report, and you can see that. On the bottom part, there's a small window that's showing the spectrum. You can switch to time waveform or a spectrum FFT. It has a marker, auto peak detector. It shows overall RMS, and you can switch between acceleration and velocity, right? You can pause and play. Again, if you're trying to do more deep vibration analysis, it's better to use our other app for analyzing your spectrum and time waveform. But this one is just only to show you a quick view of your overall signal. Let's start with this machine. I'm going to run this machine, and which is basically a motor. And now you see in the spectrum, the 1x is showing up, and the peak is automatically selecting, auto select the 1x and showing you 1x, which is 2800 RPM roughly. So of course, this is a bigger motor. This is designed for a bigger motor. You have 6 spots. Of course, this is a small motor that we have. Let's say I have that big motor. I'm going to move the accelerometer from one point to another point and just tap, and that's it. And it's going to capture all the information for that point. For example, the front, vertical, capture velocity and acceleration, front, axial, velocity and acceleration, move the accelerometer to the other point, and on the horizontal direction, front side of the motor, capture that one as well. And every time that you tap, it's going to capture the value, as well as that indicator showing the health of the machine, as well as the spectrum. The numbers now, just for indicator, doesn't make sense because I haven't selected my machine. If you come here and select the machine, now you see, for example, I select the machine, it's between 600 and 1800 RPM, or no, it's more than 1800 RPM. And based on that, it sets the threshold based on that ISO standard. Or you can just turn off that custom threshold defined range, and automatically it's going to get the information out of that ISO that you came and, let's go back and show you, you came and selected from your setting here, right? ISO. Okay, anyway, so again, let's come here, capture acceleration, velocity for all these points, acceleration, velocity, or axial, acceleration and velocity. And then let's say I move the accelerometer to the back of the motor, capture acceleration and velocity, in the back axial direction, acceleration and velocity, and also the back and vertical direction, acceleration and velocity. And once everything's done, you're ready to generate the report. How can you generate a report? You see the report button down there. When you select that one, there are 2 options: a full multi-page PDF report or a single page report. Let's say I select full PDF report. It brings to this page. You can select and zoom your map. You can enter machine ID, location, staff name, date and time auto-populated. You can have a note here. You can sign your report, right? And you can add more pictures here. And then you're gonna see your report, which is in PDF and multi-page, right? Now, you can email to yourself or someone else, or you can print it wirelessly, or you can save it to database. For database, you have to create a plant, already created one plant, and call the motor, machine motor 1, or you can generate another motor and create here, and select that one and save it. It's already saved. I can go back to report manager and find that report. Before doing that, I can show you also you could generate a single page PDF simple report, which has your logo, name, overall vibration for all the 6 points, the picture of the machine. You can add a note and also another picture from the machine. You can sign it again, and that's it. There's 6 spectrum here that you can tap and select. Either you're going to show the acceleration or velocity, and all of them is going to be as a 1-page PDF report. You can save that one with the map and location of your test. Save it, the same, let's say same plant, same machine, done. Now if I go back to the main page and go to report manager, I can select that plant, and you see there are a couple of measurements I had today, I captured today. The latest one it looked like is this one, right, that I just generated. I can see the full screen. I can print it, I can email it to myself, or you can share it and transmit, send it to your computer wirelessly through the AirDrop if you have Mac. If not, you can just send it by email or save it locally to a file of your iPad. Anyway, so that was a quick demo of the whole system. Again, there are so many other features we have in our other app, and for this one you can just go back and look at the feature of this app. You can visit our website, of course, for more detailed information about this app and other product that we have, motionics.com. You can shoot us an email or call us for any question you have, or also you can watch our other videos that we have for other kits and also for other software for vibration and balancing. If you have a question, definitely contact us and let us know how we can help you. Thanks for watching.